How's it going? Welcome to the daily grind. We are doing a tear out and redo for a claim here on a job. You guys might remember this job over a year ago. It might have been over a year ago. I did a repair work where the gentleman left stuff underneath the laminate. He left his pencil and stuff like that under the laminate. Well, it turns out the laminate that was installed, Shaw come looked at it and everything like that. I guess it was Shaw. It might have been Mannington. I don't even know what product it is. I think it's a Mannington, maybe Shaw. But anyway, the rep came, looked at it, and took pictures and everything like that, and wrote it off as defective. So I'll show you guys what's going on inside, but I can't wait to get it tore up because from what I see, I'm guessing that there's some kind of moisture issues going on. Edges are curling, finish is wearing off, stuff like that. It's bucked up, which very well be tight against the walls for that reason, but the way the end joints are wearing out and stuff like that, I am almost guaranteeing that it is moisture somewhere. So let's see what we're getting into here. I'm so curious to see what's going on. So bucked up and gapping out right there, and it's really strange. Like I said, I've never seen it, but I'm almost certain there's moisture somewhere. See that? There's just a whole bunch where the finish is coming off. Just about a ½ inch or so from the end of the joint. Looky here, I'll show you a bunch more. See that? The finish. The actual print is wearing out, and everywhere it's done that, there's a little gap in it. I'm really certain that there's moisture. Looky there. I know what that's from. This countertop is, this is sitting on top of it, so it's probably anchored down to it, and it's all high. Here it's moving, but I'm sure that that is tight against the wall because of that. Looky right here. So the finish, a straight line. That's probably an inch from the end of the board. Same thing right there. I've definitely never seen that before. In here, this is where I repaired that time. Come and repaired this whole hallway area. And into the utility room, I redid this, and even in here, that is super ridged up. Watch this. You can see that now with the light off. So I am guessing that there is moisture going on underneath this. Let's take it up and see what's going on. Well, it definitely don't have any expansion around it. It's tight. Or it's even pushing that off the wall. Hitting there and here. Pushing it off the wall there. Pretty much like that all the way around. Well, I was wrong. It's not no moisture issue. I pulled this back already and looked at it. Well, it is dark. There is a little bit of moisture. It ain't, I don't say it's powdery on my hands, so I don't believe that's causing an issue at all. I don't even know if that is moisture. It might just be the concrete. Ain't nothing, no evidence of anything being wet or anything like that. So I'll fold this back and away from the edges and vacuum all that stuff out. And we'll be ready to go again. Glad to see that. This was actually done pretty good. They're pulled over and stuck, so it completely blocks the moisture. I'm glad of that. Alrighty. I'm cleaning up and getting out of Dowdy. Not sure what's going on right here. Look right here. Got a tiny gap there, like it needs to be brought in this direction. And then looky here. Boom. Sandboards looks like it needs to go that direction on the left end, and right here looks like it needs to go this way on the right end. See that? Right there. That's the opposite. That's right there. You get in stupid situations like this, it's like, it's time to go home. So, I was wondering what all the rave was with these. I've had them for a little bit and I ain't had a chance to use them, but I do see what people's talking about. Sometimes they're hard to get out. So I'll just do that and pull them out. And I'll tell you what, now I see what all the rave is about. These are awesome. Me likey. Me likey. Show you what they are. I'm gonna show you what they are. Them. See that? Mr. Gunlock, son. These are Bessie. Them are good.